Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with this week's word of the week. The word of the week is stop. 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 Let's look at our picture. This is a stop sign. It is an octagon shape. It is bright red and it says stop on it in white letters. S-T-O-P. Stop. When you see the red hand at our crosswalk, that means you stop walking. A way to say stop with your hands in sign language? Stop. Stop. The word of the week is stop. Stop. Make sure you check out our PDF for the word stop so that you can work different activities into your week and work on that word stop. Hope you all have a great week. Bye.